Thought that is sustained becomes a form. Thought shared by many becomes energy in motion. Thought without resistance becomes reality.
So, how does manifestation happens? A thought that is sustained for a long time becomes a form. When you continue to think the same thought over and over again, it becomes a form. Now, thought shared by many, that's why group conscious is also important. When collectively we are all thinking about the same thing, again, that also gives energy. It multiplies, not just adds. Energy multiplies exponentially and it becomes a huge energy in motion. So, thoughts shared by many becomes energy in motion. Thoughts without resistance becomes reality. जब उस विचार के प्रति कोई प्रतिरोध नहीं होता है, ज्यादातर क्या होता है, हम जानते हैं कि हम क्या चाहते हैं, but our energy is focused on what we don't want. It's like a stick. Which side of the stick are you holding? The one what you do not want or the one you want? When you are holding the stick of one you do not want, you will attract what you do not want. So that's why uh, what is important is where your attention is, what your emotional state is. एक होता है इंटेंशन, बट इंटेंशन के साथ आपका अटेंशन क्या है? इंटेंशन तो हम सब अच्छा चाहते हैं, बट अटेंशन हम उस चीज पे दे रहे हैं जो हम नहीं चाहते. हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे अच्छे बने, हमारा इंटेंशन अच्छा है पर अटेंशन ही वही उस चीज पे है कि आज क्या प्रॉब्लम है, दे आर नॉट गुड इनफ. देखो दूसरे के बच्चे देखो कितना अच्छा कर रहे हैं, मेरा बच्चा देखो ये है वैसा है ऐसा है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग नॉट टू बी अवेयर ऑफ द इश्यू, बट देन focus your attention on what you want them to be, how you want them to be, and see as if it's already there. When you interact with them, see them as if they are what you want them to be. Most of the time, we are obsessed with the existing reality. And that's why we are not aligned with our vision. We are aligned with the existing condition. And that existing condition blurs our vision. हम क्या चाहते हैं, वो सोच धुंधली हो जाती है, वो फीकी पड़ जाती है. और क्या अभी हो रहा है, क्या है, उसी की छाप गहरी हो जाती है हमारे ऊपर. जो एग्जिस्टिंग हो रहा है, वो प्रतिरोध पैदा करता है. तो आप ही आपके रोड ब्लॉक बन गए, आप ही आपके रास्ते के कांटे बन गए. सो we know what we want, but we also know what we do not want. So that's why I said thought without resistance becomes reality. अगर कोई प्रतिरोध नहीं होगा तो it will definitely become reality. Otherwise, your vibration is itself is of resistance. And then you attract more of what you resist. What you resist persists. What you fight, you strengthen. कोई जीवन कोई संघर्ष नहीं है, जीवन कोई लड़ाई नहीं है. ये संघर्ष तो सीख का मौका है, आगे बढ़ने की चुनौती है. तो जो भी चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, जो भी विपरीत परिस्थितियां आती है, इफ यू आर अवेयर एंड इफ यू यूज इट एज अ टूल for your spiritual expansion, it becomes a spiritual experience and lead to the expansion of our consciousness. So that's why thought that is sustained becomes a form, thought shared by many becomes energy in motion, thought without resistance becomes reality.